Preparing and printing an on-demand statement. We're going to prepare and print a financial statement for a specific date, before the end of the month, when you send regular statements, as requested by one of the customers. To begin with, go to the Receivables Workspace and open the customer's form. Use the search bar to find the customer. For the purpose of this demo, we'll select this customer. Let's click the Customer ID link. The form for this customer opens. Next, go to the More menu and select the Generate on Demand option under Statements. In the Generate on Demand statement dialog box, enter the date as requested by the customer and click OK. A message appears indicating that the statement has been generated. If you want to review the history of statements generated for this customer, go back to the More menu and under the Statements menu, click Statement History. Review the statements in the table on the Customer Statement History form. If you want to print a statement, select the statement and click Print Statement. The customer statement appears in a printable format. You can use the Print button to take a hard copy of the statement, or use the Send button to email a copy of the statement using a system-generated email format. Or use the Export button to download an Excel sheet or a PDF document as per the customer's requirement and send the statement to the customer.